Midwest Picker on YouTube. Yeah, baby.
Hey, Midwest Picker here. It's been a long time since we hit the thrift stores. How long has it been? 3 months, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. I'm with Little Midwest. We're going to hit the thrift stores. It's Saturday. I don't know how many we're going to get. I don't even know if I'm going to film video in the thrift store. I probably will. So when I get back to the homestead, to the eBay office, I'll show you what I bought, put some comps on the screen, let you know what I think I might get. When's the last time we went to an estate sale? Year. It was during COVID, or I should say the C word. We're not allowed to say COVID. 2020, probably the summer of 2020 is the last time we went to a estate sale. It's been forever. Been sourcing a ton on high bid, which is sweet. So you ready to go?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. All right, next stop, Salvation Army. This place is dead, dead, dead. It's Saturday. Like 3 people here. That's interesting. And the shelves are bare. Basketball. Oh, lordy, lordy. Not seeing anything. Nothing pops out to me here. This one's all plastic. Should have brought my flashlight. But I forgot. Oh man, this is sad. Sad situation. Oh, here we go. Now that would be a sweet pickup, except for right there. What you doing? Yeah, you gotta be out of your mind. $13. That's about what it's worth, and it's got a giant chip in it. Oh, that's pretty cool. Wow. $8. $8. What the heck is that? I'm gonna have to take a picture to figure out what that is. Next stop, restore. Next stop, my belly. All right, we're back in the eBay office, and as you can tell probably from the video, I found Jack Squat. Jack Squat! I sourced 2 boxes of vacuum cleaner bags. Super exciting. Bissell 7, 9 bags, new in the box. Eureka T, 9 bags, new in the box. Each box was $2.25. I got those at the Restore, and that was the only thing they had there. It's slim pickings. Sometimes they get tons of stuff, lock sets and lever sets and commercial, industrial, brand new in the box, and they just don't have anything right now, so it's hit and miss there for sure. I listed one for $18.95, and I listed the other one for $24.95. Next, I got this sealed PC game from 1995, Microsoft Basketball Guide. Paid $4 for it. I'll put some comps up on the screen. One guy's got one out of the box. Another guy's got new sealed like me. There's a couple. They don't sell well at all, but you know, what the heck, I'll give it a try. So as you can tell from the video, thrift stores are drying up, and people have been saying this for a long time. It's been a long time since I've been to a thrift store, but I hit just 2 or 3. Some of them I didn't record video of, and there was nothing. I mean, just junk, and the shelves are getting bare. It's really weird. I'd much rather source my favorite places: flea markets, estate sales, and of course high bid. I always do great with high bid. All right, now let's take some viewer questions. Abby asked, what is your eBay store name? It's not in your description. Interested in the boot. Well, I have a link to my eBay store down in the description, or you can go to midwestpicker.com. That links to everything. Casual Observer stated, I have no idea what's going on. Typically, I don't know what's going on either. But to solve the mystery for you, this is a website called YouTube. Chuck shared, I love to source from high bid too. That haircut though? Yeah, I agree, Chuck. The haircut needs work. Harry Humstone stated, hate to say it like this, but that is one big pecker. Thank you. When I asked the viewers to comment down below, Little Debbie replied, comment. Mine asked, how much bee venom did you sell? I sold 3 units. Robin Watson asked, where is Joey? That's a great question. I have no idea. Referring to the Joey's Brain video, Scott asked, if you were following Tim Allen, you didn't modify it, you tweaked it, right? You are correct, I tweaked it. Steve asked, what the hell is this? This is a dodgeball video on YouTube. Well, that's the video, guys. Nothing super exciting. Burley Park Flea Market is coming up, Memorial Day. It's massive. This is the first one of the year, and the first one of the year is always crazy with like 10,000 people. I'm definitely going to go. Got the new chest mount for the GoPro. So hopefully I find some unicorns, some holy grails, get some really good stuff. Now, this time I'm going to edit the video way, way down. Last time it was 45 minutes long. That was just way too much. So this one would be very short. So hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit the bell icon so when I upload these videos, you'll get a notification. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. It greatly helps. In the comments down below, did I miss anything in those thrift stores? Did you see something and said, whoa, how come you didn't get that? Thanks for being here. Greatly appreciate it. Until next time, see ya.
Midwest Picker on YouTube. Yeah, baby.
Mattel's new baby secret. she whispers, just to you. Her lips really move.
I want to tell you something.
It's almost unbelievable. Get Mattel the new baby secret so you can have fun keeping secrets together.